Hello guys, in this short tutorials I want to show you how you can create a stylized text animation in Adobe After Effects. Right click on your timeline, go to new and add a new text layer. Pick the rectangular tool and draw a shape over the text like this. Align it to center and move it below the text. Select your shape layer, hit UU to reveal the property, then right click on the rectangle 1 and convert to Bezier path. Move your time indicator to 2 seconds forward in time and create a keyframe for the path. Then move your time indicator to 1 second and then select these vertices above and then move it to the center. You hold shift while doing that. Then you select this one also and move it to the center to create a straight line. Now move your time indicator to 0, then select this area and also move it to the center. And then select the remaining part and move it over the center as well. With your shape layer still selected, add a transform effect. On the effects and control, move your time indicator to 1 second forward in time and then set a keyframe for the skew. Then move your time indicator to 2 seconds forward in time and then change the skew value to -12. Hit U on the keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Highlight all the keyframes, then hit F9 to ease. Now move your time indicator to slightly above 1 second. Copy this 1 second keyframe, then and paste it at this point. Then also move this keyframe to this point and then align also this keyframe to this last keyframe here. Then select your keyframe and edit your speed graph like this. Select your text layer, hit UU to reveal the property, go to animate and select position. Then we're gonna move our time indicator to this point, then change the position value like this to go below the shape. Then we're gonna open our range selector and then move your time indicator to 2 seconds forward in time and set the offset value to 100 and then set a keyframe. Then move your time indicator back to 1 second and change the value of the offset to 0. Hit U to reveal the keyframe. So we're gonna align this first keyframe to this keyframe right here. So if you preview now, this is what you got. Beautiful. Select your shape layer, Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it, then move it above the text layer, then toggle your timeline and then set a track matte to alpha matte for the text. We're going to move our time indicator to about this keyframe second to the last. Then we'll select the shape layer and then copy the transform, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V on the text. So if you preview now, this is what you have. And this is how you can create a stylized text animation in Adobe After Effects. If you find this tutorial useful, please share it to someone who might find it useful, and that way the algorithm will also favor this video for more people to see. Until I see you again on the next one, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. My name is SSB Otaru for MotionDigit Studios.